Okay. So let's take a look about last week I mentioned about desertification. Remember not what is that now? I've forgotten already. No rainfall, correct. So aridity, right? Like last week I mentioned this part extremely important. Okay, the higher the aridity, the better or worse actually. Worse, you can say hyper arid, what happened? A lot of rainfall, less. Yeah, basically you can see that. Less than 100 mm, actually very low. So, one more thing. Dry subhumid, anything below 0.65 still considered dry. But at least this place slightly better. Yeah, it's around 0.5 to 0.65. So at least you can get sufficient rain to actually grow some commercial crops there. That's okay now, here. Actually important this part. Okay, please go back, do a revision this one. Other than that, we take a look a while. Next thing, we mentioned about dry land area. Malaysia, do we suffer on dry land? Yes or no? No. Malaysia, no, because we have a lot of rain. Rainfall is a lot per year. So we don't have dry land. But places in sub-Sahara Africa, below the Sahara Desert, those places, you can say, all the time they're suffering from dry land issue. They cannot grow anything also. But actually, you can see, according to the World Planet, 1 in 3 people, basically 3 of us, 1 of us live at dry land. Which is a lot of people living in dry land actually around the world. At the same time, you mentioned most of the dry land in this world, they're in developing countries. Plus, Malaysia considered developed or developing? Developing. So a lot of places which are under dry land, we are still developing. Which are not really exactly the richest countries, but still developing on the way to be a successful country. So other than that, we can say, at the same time, those places extremely dry, you can say hyper arid. Most of the time they keep all those poorest regions in the world, like sub-Sahara Africa. And this place, some of the poorest places, they all suffer from hyper arid. Means that no place to actually grow anything because of too dry it is the place over there. Lack of rain. So you can take a look there. At the same time, most of the places which is under extremely hyper arid places, uninhabited. Not many people live over there. If God also is only small community, basically like those that have been there for hundreds or even thousands of years ago, they've been living over there. Just like those desert dwellers, they've been living over there for hundreds of years already, their ancestors. That's until here, so far okay on this side. Any questions? Still okay. So we can say, whereas a lot of people still depend on dry land, even though most of the dry land is extremely dry, not many people, but other places that are not so suffering from high aridity, you can still see a lot of people live over there. For example, you can say how they survive. They use rain-fed or irrigated farming. Just like for example, when it rains over there, people go and get water. Maybe keep it properly, keep it for 1 year water supply. People do that because that's the only way to survive. They cannot depend on government water supply, this and that. Yes, those places actually drier, use rain-fed or irrigated farming. At the same time, class, I mentioned earlier, all those words in bold, please go back, study. Only for unit 4 and 5, the words in bold. Okay, my class? Yeah, and remember, until 5.2, we're going to read everything here. Sorry, definition. Sorry, mistake. Unit 3 to 5.2. Yeah, for definition, please study unit 3 to 5.2. Yeah, but for the exam, it's actually unit 1 to 5.2. Understand now, class? But definition, 15 questions. This one, I write down over here. Definition, 15 questions. But the definitions, the word in bold, they're only from unit 3 to 5.2. Clear now, class? And you put a remark there. So, all those words in bold, please be very careful about it. And then, other than that, we have to mention this kind of words, class. Pastoralism. Any idea what that is? Okay, basically it's that they do farming, at the same time they also rear cattle. Maybe you can say cow, goat, they actually rear them also. And that's called pastoralism. And they're still part of farming only. Other than that, we can say those who live over there, a lot are from indigenous group, just like Orang Asli. It's been around for thousands of years within that community. So they are, the way they live unchanged for thousands of years. Yeah, so only those people actually live over there. That's how they continue to live on dry land over there. Then you can put a remark there. Plus, easy not to live over there. Not easy because everything, you can't even grow anything there. You even get water every day. It's already like a luxury for them. Yeah, please underline first. Last is what? Okay, class. So, any other questions here? Until here. Yeah, remember, go back, please study a bit. I know the holiday is coming soon. Take the holiday to actually study. Because if you study right, confirm you can do well for this geography paper. Anyone target to get an A above? I think most of you target to get that. And it's possible. As long as you read through and to follow a lesson, confirm you can do it. So, shall we move on in class? And remember, go back, study definition. Unit 3 to 5.2. 15 questions, 30 marks over here. Yeah, every question basically 2 marks. Just like our recent exam. The format almost the same. Yeah, almost exactly the same thing only. Last time I think today. And no MCQ question class. 没有选项题 no ABCD. All writing, true or false, yes. Yeah, true, false. Basically same format like what we saw in the past exam. So class, shall I move on already? Okay, good then. And one more thing, those people over there, those orang asli, or those like aborigines, those who are like maybe in Australia, or those aborigines, they've adapted already. The way they live, right, they've adapted to living. They know how to survive over there. Just like someone, maybe for us, we feel that it's impossible to live over there. But for them, since they have been using the same method for thousands of years, they have their own ways to survive, and they've adapted to the situation. Okay, other than that, we take a look a while. Okay, this place, class, America. Heard before now this city they call Las Vegas.
Yes.
What is it famous for?
Casino.
Casino, yes. Other than casino, what else?
Drugs.
Drugs. Gambling. Most of the time it's all entertainment over there. Other than gambling, there's like a lot of entertainment, maybe shows, some music shows, many shows, a lot of shows over there. Theater, yes, everything is over there. But the thing is right, Nevada is a city, Las Vegas is actually part of the desert. America is a very big country. So Nevada, Las Vegas is like all desert over there. So it's one of the world's driest cities also actually. So for them, right, to even get mineral water is really difficult, not easy. They have to transport from different parts of USA to actually send it to them. Okay, so we take a look a while. So they mentioned some of the world's biggest cities, for example, Cairo. Any idea where is it? For those of you, yes, we have done the country profile. Egypt. Nice city or not, you all think? Yes, a lot of mystery over there, a lot of history also. So you can say Cairo at the same time. New Delhi, still remember where is it?
Center of India.
India, yes, New Delhi is India. Oh yeah, one more thing. Your India chapter, space program, please go back, study a lot about that. At least 25% on India space program. Can go back study. 25% Indian. Space. Yeah, be very careful. It's important part. Go back study Indian space program. After 25 marks and maybe true false also another 5 marks. So 30% for unit 3. Yeah, same goes to unit 4, also 30% almost. Okay, other than that, we take a look. As they mentioned, Las Vegas, right, this place, they actually not so long ago. 1905, is it long ago or not so long ago?
Not so long.
For world history, it's not that long, but for human life, yes, 100 over years is a long time. But for them, 1905, they just started this place in the Mojave Desert. At that time, it started with a small population. Slowly, it has increased all the way until millions of people living over there. At the same time, per year, almost 40 million people visited these places to enjoy the entertainment and Las Vegas. So we can say one more thing. In fact, they say population increased over the years. 66% means that a lot of people migrated over there because they know that there are opportunities. They can get jobs over there, a lot of hotels, a lot of casinos. At the same time, you can say urban area means that last time it was desert, now it's become a city. Yeah, like concrete jungle over there. So a lot of people actually go over there. In fact, tourists, many per year, visit this place. But this place, right, is kind of pricey because when you go to the hotel, they actually charge you all those rates, like maybe tourist tax, they charge you a lot over there. And other than that, we can say, but as we know, Las Vegas is made of desert. So to actually get water, right, where they get it from? They get from Colorado River Basin. Heard before of Colorado, class? Yeah, this place, right, once upon a time, I think in 10 years ago, there's a shooting incident in this place here. A lot of shooting in the USA. Yeah, so we can say they got water from there. At the same time, we can mention 15% of the water they get from underground aquifers. Aquifers, go back, please read through the definition at the back there. These are part of the rock there, they get water from there. So 15% extracted. The rest, how they actually get more water? They created this one, a dam. That's a 水坝, just like Penang Ayitam Dam. For them, they call it Hoover Dam. What is it for? To get more water for them. At the same time, they also created a few lakes over there just to supply Las Vegas more water. From Colorado River, they slowly created some dam over there just to reserve the water. At the same time, created this lake just to supply water to Las Vegas. So a lot of planning has to be done, or else Las Vegas they cannot last over there because it's a very dry place there. Class, okay now this part. Any questions? Okay, please take down first this one. So you have to be very sure about the names there. Places, places you have to know. So remember, go back. Chapter 4 and chapter 3 alone, you take up a lot of marks already. Okay, please go back, study all those. Class, any other questions I have here? Shall I move on already? Oh yeah, class, one more thing. Your exam paper, right, cartographer, take a look there. If you put there, draws the map, right, you can send it to me. I give you marks for that one. Cartographer, take a look definition. If you draw the map, if I give you wrong, please send it back to me. I give you the marks there. Yeah, cartographer, the one who draws the map. Class, if all okay, we move on already, alright? Okay, class, let me take a look a while. So, Las Vegas today, we can say, actually their night scene is actually nice. Once when you get a chance to go there, you can take a look. A lot of nice view over there, even though it's artificial light a lot. At the same time, we can see, okay. But there's also some problems over there because, as we know, this place is all depending on desert. And then now the world is actually climate change everything, not much water for Las Vegas. So they say that in fact, this lake is actually created. Okay, let's see. Let me underline a while. Yes. Lake Mead, long ago it's actually a lot of water, abundant of water. But in recent years, due to climate change and everything, they can realize that actually it's drying up already the place there. If this thing is not solved, slowly Las Vegas might become another ghost town, which means that no one can go there because no water. People can't survive, it might be abandoned also, possible. So they are actually looking for ways to actually solve this matter. But this matter for now, I think they are still in process to actually trying to solve it. Yeah, especially when it happens to drought. Due to all this, because of climate change, drought happens just like in Africa, in Zambia. When drought happening, a lot of problems that happen. So America, they're also facing the same thing due to this extreme weather change. Class, any questions over here? Yeah, if no questions, then that's it for today. And one more thing, the exam any errors, you can let me know immediately.
Captain.